Yo, 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 yo. How we doing, boys? Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. Hold on. Hold your horses. God damn. God damn. Oof. Another day and a dollar. Another day. Another dollar. Oof. Yo, what y'all been up to today, chat? What's been going on with y'all? Stop Bardolero. What's up, man? What's up, Mandem? Just chilling with the boys in voice chat. Yeah, I saw it, man. Hello, people in voice chat today. Hey, good shit. Did y'all catch anything? Voice chat caught anything? Bard, was your Spotify Wrapped? Oh, I knew somebody would ask that question. Yo, can y'all guess who my top artist is? I want y'all to guess who my top artist. It's not hard. If you know me, it's not hard. Travis Scott? No. Close. Yep, there you go. Drizzy is Drake. I can show you guys my top artist. It was... So Drake was my top artist. And then my top 5 were Drake, a Swedish rapper called 23, and then Kanye West, another Swedish rapper called Yasin, and then Future. So Drake, Kanye, Future, and 2 Swedish rappers. Was my my top. I'm actually very surprised though. I thought I'd have more like country because I didn't listen to a lot of country this year, but yeah. Nah, just Drake is unbeatable, bro. And he's been my top. Drake has been my top artist for like fucking 5 years in a row. Who did y'all have as your top artist? Durkio? Hello, do you have a video where you explain the comp strat? I found your channel 5 minutes ago. Yeah, I do have a video where I explain the comp strat. If you go to my YouTube channel and you go to videos, you have it. The only strategy you need to become profitable. This video shows you how to tells you about the comp play. What's up? How you doing, my boy? What's up, Ignas? Nice tree, Barty. Thank you, man. Yeah, I like that you guys like my tree. What happened today with gold? I haven't looked at the market today at all. I was busy the whole day. I had to what is it called? I had to. What is it called when you show somebody an apartment that they're gonna rent? Like you show somebody an apartment that they're looking to rent. What does that mean? I don't know, but yeah, I had to show somebody an apartment there. Potential. But if you see a comp is also one of our flip, you take it. Yes, if it's a 30-minute comp. Let's see what we have here. Gold. Still, what a consolidation, chat. What a consolidation, yeah? Alright, lads. Alright, lads. Was this news, chat? We didn't have news today. Yo. Crazy thing is, chat, that we're in this range, right? But we just grabbed liquidity. So I'm thinking we're pushing up here. I'm thinking we're pushing higher here. Because, as you guys see, we're in this, I guess, not tight, but still a pretty decent range. Let me redraw it, though, because we have kind of made some new... Let me adjust the range a bit. There we go. That's the new range. And then, yeah. So we have this range right here, chat. Let me see. Hold on. On the safety line right here. So we have a range, right? Boom, 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 boom. We have been fucking consolidating here for 2 days. 2 days just up and down, up and down, up and down, failing to break out in any big way, right? With any big moves. Therefore, I'm expecting now, as we broke this low right here and took all these lows out and failed to drive, right? The important thing here is we broke the lows, but we didn't drive. Which means what? Which means that this was pull liquidity here. We had pull liquidity and we took the liquidity and now we are breaking above the most recent higher high. Right? So this was a clear liquidity grab. So I'm expecting gold to be very bullish today. Look at the 4 hour. That bottom wick just looks so bullish. And the 4 hour just closed. Actually just closed. Like 15 minutes ago. And we have a very strong bullish engulfing 4 hour candle. Again, tapping into strong area. But it is still respecting the trend, right? You're still respecting the trend on the bullish, on the 4 hour time frame. So either way, I do see us coming up and tapping at least up to 53 again. After not again after some retests now, because you do have to come down a little bit. But yeah, it looks really, really strong. See a trend on the 1 hour? Yeah, exactly. So you are still higher time frame bullish and long term bullish on gold, especially today after this liquidity grab. So buys are ideal. I'm looking for buys above 49, closures above 46.50, I would say. Maybe I can make the zone a little smaller. Hold on. So buys on closures above 26.50. Looks good after we took these lows and are now driving up to take out these highs right here and then potentially get to our sell levels which are 69, because I do think you have to grab liquidity above here if you want to come further down as well. So yeah, buys up is my only real position right now. I don't really want to look for sells. Sells would be, I guess, a closure below this yellow line at 45, right, to fill the range down, because you do fill the range every single time you close below there. So potential quick sells, like scalp sells below 26.45.3. But otherwise, just buys. I just want to look for buys. I don't really want to look for anything else. Hold on 1 sec. Let me just take a phone call. Where was I? Sorry, I had to take a call. Where was I? What was I talking about? Buys, right? Should we take a position now? Not right now. There's no position that we can take right now. Nothing is presenting itself. We have to wait for closures above 26.50. So closures here for us to consider taking buys, or closures back into range below this yellow line right here for us to consider sells. But right now there are no possible positions that we can't just take a position. We have to wait for it to tap our levels, our key levels. Let's just scan through the other pairs, see what we got. That's a EJ. It's not a complex against the trend. You are shifting trend here. UJ. They had a comp here but didn't tap it. Came very close though. Very, very close. Didn't tap it by like 2 pips, 2.5 pips. Did have a comp on NSD CAD that played out nicely. GPAUD, no comp right now. GPUSD had this nice comp right here. Right there. Boom, boom. NZDUSD had came very close, 1 pip to a comp and then pushed down. Yeah, we don't really have too much right now, but I think we'll probably get a position on gold. It looks like it's moving a lot, and we do have some I backtested no wick play last night with my chart history, and bro, this is a fucking game changer. It's a life hack I would never give out for free. Appreciate, bro. I feel like I'm a market maker now. That's what everybody tells me that learns to play. Hey, you're welcome. We took that in the voice chat. Good shit, man. Yo, voice chat be eating, chat. If you guys are not in the voice chat in Discord, you guys are missing out, man. That's free sauce. Whenever I'm not streaming, that's the place to be. Please tell me which one it is. I missed which one. What do you mean, which one? Check your USD. This one? Oh, y'all caught this one?
Yeah, we called that one, me, Riz, and what's his name, Sadkis. But bro, after it started rejecting a lot on that support, we had to close. We got scared. And then that
Oh,
shit kept dumping, man. We got the damn effect.
you had to close here?
Yeah.
Yeah, damn. But you got some profit at least.
Yeah. It was like 0.5% because I had a tight stop loss.
Okay. Yeah, that was a good comp right there. These ones, y'all took this one? Because that's you have an imbalance below, so.
Nah, there's an imbalance, bro.
Perfect.
Never.
Great. Alright. Yeah, nothing really showing up on the plays. EJ, that's against the trends. We can't take that. UJ. Okay, just flipped. Let's see. Okay. But in the journal there is RS and LTF-RS. So support RS is resistance and support. I don't know why it's not SNR. It should be SNR, but it's basically support and resistance. And LFT-RS is lower time frame support and resistance. And HTF is higher time frame support and resistance. Bard, can you do an analysis on USD CAD? There was a comp play that's invalid if you follow the textbook, but the trend line. USD CAD. Which one? This one? Or this one? But also, if you notice, bro, I don't have USD CAD on my watch list. So USD CAD is not the pair that it's not one pair that I like the comp play on, just so you know. But this one right here, did you tap it? You never tapped it. If you zoom out, there's a clean trend line.
Bard, I understood Ahmed's question, bro, because he asked me the same. I was like, ask Bard. He means like if you see how you drew the trend line?
Yeah.
If you just trade based on the trend line, you know exactly it's gonna reject on the trend line. So can you enter it like there before the comp?
No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't just do trend line and comp. Um,
Mm.
I need some other. I would need some other more confluences. But also this didn't tap the comp. But yeah, I would. Oh, you're talking about if you tapped it. I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't enter this. Not off this trend line, because when we take the comp, we look at the lower time frame. We look at the 15-minute trend line, and the 15-minute trend line in this case was a little bearish. And also, this is a reversal candle. You have to remember this is a reversal candle. All right, that's the candle that reversed the trend. So yeah, I would not take this. Even though it played out, I would not take it.
Bart, can you explain, please, what's the reversal candle? Because a lot of people are not understanding that rule, and like I tried to explain it multiple times, but like I was struggling to explain it.
Yeah,
Like shifting. If you can do it, please.
yeah. Reversal candle is basically just the candle, the first green candle that reverses the trend. So let's say you have a trend line, like it's the first green candle before you break the trend. So let's say you have a trend right here. All right, so where would the trend break be here? It would be right here, right? Closure above here, you break the trend. Right, so a trend line is basically just, or a reversal candle is basically just the first candle, the first green candle that breaks before you break the trend. So let's say you have a green candle right here, and then you get a close right here. Right, now you have close above the most recent lower high, and the first candle that reversed that trend reversal, or that started that trend reversal, that's the reversal candle. So yeah, it's literally that simple. And if it's a bullish trend, it's vice versa. So the first green candle before you break the bearish trend, and the first red candle before you break the bullish trend. So in this case right here, you had let me know if any trades taken. Yes, sir. They will also be called out as signals, so just so you know. But basically, right here you have, right, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then you broke the trend. Oh no, this is a lower high, my bad, right here. So then you broke the trend right here, and this was the candle, the first green candle before you broke the trend. Right, that's the reversal candle. Right, there's no other green candle lower than this. This is the first green candle before you break the trend. There's no other candle below it. Green candle. Let's see if we can find another one here, chat. Or it doesn't have to be no candle. Here you have a bullish trend, right? Bullish trend. And then here you broke the structure. And this is the first red candle before you broke structure. So this is the reversal candle right here. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, obviously gold is pushing up, chat. After that bottom wick, man. How's your challenge going? We are at break even. Oh, I didn't even start the account. We're at break even. Right there. $10,007. We got the 30 closure here in 3 minutes. So we can get a 30 closure above. Might get a no big play possibly. I've had some good trades with the comp play with 0 draw on this. The only thing they had in common were that you double aligned with the chart pattern. What does that mean? Bro, please explain the difference between the comp and no wick play. Yes. Or you know what? Just go to my YouTube, bro. I have both plays for free out on my YouTube. So go to my YouTube. You have this right here, the hidden trading concept that's backed by data. Okay, it's not this. It's not that fucking. It's not. Wrong video. Wait, I don't have the fucking. Yeah, I do. The high winner trading model I wish I started with. So this, go watch this. This video right here. That's a no wick play, and that the only strategy you need to become profitable. This is the compensation play. So this one and this one. Go watch those 2 videos. Damn, I got a lot of recaps. Then you just stream, what's the comp and wick play? Oh, answer 2 questions in 1. Didn't even see that question. There you go, bro. Okay, potential flip play chat. Never mind. Already flipped. What's the RR you usually aim for with a comp? No comp. Okay. You mean just the comp? Then, bro, mix the no wick and comp. With the comp play, you could do a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 RR seems to be good with the comp play. That's the most. I mean, that's the most common way. It's 1-to-1. 1-to-1. Oh. 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 depending on the trend structure and support and resistance. Exactly. It's from depends on different comps, right? All comps are built different. You know what I'm saying? Hi, any trade taken in XAUSD? Not yet. Not yet. We're still waiting for our position. Still waiting for one of the plays. Waiting for potential positions here. Feels like today might be a little slow day, so we'll see. Hello, Adam. Check community chat. I saw it, bro. What the fuck? Me and the boys on Discord be cooking so far. No loss in the voice chat calls, I believe. Chat. If y'all not on the voice chats, I don't know what y'all doing, man. The boys are absolutely cooking in voice chat. Fucking trading, showing you all the positions. If you're a newbie or if you don't understand strategy, this is the best place to be, bro. And it's like completely free. So yeah, join the Discord, man, and go to the voice chats, especially during the mornings when I'm not streaming, or if I'm not streaming London. What do you think? Previous comp was a valid, right, on NSDUSD? This comp right here. Yeah, no, I would probably not take that. Just based off the 1 hour and 30 minute. It seems like it looks like you need a deeper retest, a lot deeper retest. I would expect a deeper retest. So yeah, no, I would probably not take that. Also, where are the stops gonna be? Stops are gonna be huge for this play. Like, let's say we took this right here. Stops would be like here or like here, but I guess like here. Break up this high right here. So yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't be comfortable in that position, to be honest. What about this one? This one, if you come down and you start closing below here, if you close below this right here, then yeah, I'd take it. I'd take it because that's a range breakout as well, and that's a continuation, and closure below this right here, the support. So I would, yeah, if you close below here and then you come up, I would take it. I would. Marcus got me sleepy. They're a little slow today. I took a sell at 53, aiming for a pullback towards 50.45. Not a bad sell, not a bad sell. That was almost a flip play as well. But it created a way too small top wick. If we got a bigger top wick, I would have entered there on the flip play. Fill the raise out because he did close respecting. Yeah, I can't join the Discord. Why? Why do everybody has trouble joining Discord? I don't know. Every single time, every day I get so many DMs, chat. I can't join Discord. Invite link is invalid. Invite link is invalid. Yo, just fucking join, man. God damn. Invite link invalid. Why? Why is it invalid? There's absolutely no reason for it to be invalid. Gotta fucking change this shit now. Now it should work. Now it should work. Now it should work. Oh, that's a 30 as well. I didn't even notice. Now this looks very bullish here. Ah. All the other pairs are looking not quite that good. Oh, okay. DXY is bullish. Bullish trend. Gold also bullish. Love to see it. Great tree. Thank you. My guy. My guy. Yo, hold on. Santa is fucking. Bro, you should get a Christmas border for your face cam. Chat, I swear to God, I can't do anymore, man. Like, this is the limits of my creative thinking. How do I even, like, how would I even do that? Christmas border for stream. Let me find one. Boom, save image. Okay. PNG. All right. Let me try now, chat. Boom, boom. I swear you had one last year. I didn't. No. I did not. In fact, I did not. Let's see. Media file, image, at source. Boom. Christmas border. Source. Browse. Boom. Is that enough? Y'all happy now? Y'all happy now? Is this good, chat? Yeah. We're getting festive. Ooh, chat. Yo, chat. This is looking mad nice, chat. Looking mad nice. I can't even lie to y'all. Now we can trade. That's what was stopping us. Now we can get a trade, chat. I now see why we didn't get a trade. It's because we weren't festive enough. We weren't Christmassy enough. We didn't respect the holiday. That's why Santa didn't give us a trade. But now Santa... did not close below there, so I'm not going to take this. What's wrong with volume today? Meaning it's slow? Is it slow? No, that was a 36 pip candle like in a few minutes, so now it's... No, it's not necessarily slow, no. Join the Discord. Let's see, does the Nightbot link work? The Nightbot link is also invalid. Every single link I have is fucking invalid. What's wrong, man? Okay. How do I log into Nightbot? At the chat. Oh, okay. Commands. Discord. Oh yeah, let me change. And change the Discord real quick, chat. Don't mind if I do. Bang. Bang. Update. Discord to change. Let's see, is there any more? Okay, I have to change this as well.
Bard,
Yeah.
put the one that I put it on YouTube. It doesn't have time limit.
Yeah. I did. That's what I did. Okay.
Nice G. Good border, by the way.
Thank you. Very, very festive. Join this to find a video explaining the flip play. Okay, I have to change this as well. Add the new Discord link.
With that border, 100% we're going to get the bag today.
For sure. For fucking sure.
Yo, Bard, can you check NSD USD, bro?
Yeah, I checked it.
50.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that we didn't close below my line here. It's 0.58. Didn't close below that support. I like the fact that we kind of have an imbalance above. If you look at the 1 hour, and the 1 hour is looking to retest deeper, right? If you look at the normal trend,
Yeah.
it seems like it wants to retest deeper, and that was a 30 flip as well after breaking structure on the 30. So yeah, I want to take this, or I'm not gonna take this.
If this was on gold, that would be sick, because that would be comp, flip, and wick fill.
Exactly. Then it's a different story because then we have a flip with us. But yeah, no.
You know.
On this USD, I'm hesitant. Logs, let's see. Regulars, dashboard, timers, that's the one. Discord on. Okay, hold on, chat. Let me just fix one last thing. Alright, everything should be up to date now. Hi all, any trades going on now? I'm traveling so I can't rush the stream. Currently, no. We're still waiting for our position. Where's gold? Where's gold? I like comps 30 and up, no lie. Bro, you need an assistant or something that does shit for you? No, man. The fuck? Assistant? I'm a grown-ass man, man. I can do shit on my own. Put some cold Christmas song, Bard. Yeah. Oof. Hot chocolate now. With some marshmallows on top. A cozy fireplace. That's all you need, chat. And $1 million and a hot chick and a fast car, and that's all you need to be happy, chat. Yeah. Life is simple. You have team or only you? I have a team, of course. All right, maybe this song was a little too sad. Can we have like a upbeat Christmas vibe? Better. Grr. Alright, 1 hour closure in 6 minutes to chat. See if the 1 hour can close above. And we'll get a no-wick play, and we'll get a trade. And we are in this hole. Still holding that 53 sell. Consolidation driving. Relax. Take a chance. Take a chill. Take a chill. Chill out. Trust your strategy, man. Trust the process. Red folder news at hourly close? No fucking way, man. We had a red folder, brother. Tuesday. Oh, we do. Fuck. Yo, I low-key thought we were like, shit, this hourly about to close above. We're about to get a no-wick play, and now we have news, chat. So I guess, yeah, we have news, chat. So not much we can do. Not much we can do except just wait for news. La la. Bro, that was Santa in disguise. Santa disguise. If I like a Santa, like Santa, what is it called? Santa mask. I see only about 60-70 people are serious because in this channel. What? No, I don't have a Santa mask. Otherwise, I would have it on. But unfortunately, I don't. I do have a like anonymous mask. I don't know what that has to do with anything, but yeah, I just want to tell y'all that I have one of those masks. Can you open sharing screen? Yeah, I just did. Hey, Barty Daddy. What's up, David? Yo, right now, Chad, you know what would be good? Some whiskey on the rocks. I took my first trade on a funded account. I kind of don't want to trade in December with this gay ass price action, even though I gain 1% today. Dude, December has good price action. This would be a good trade, no? Can you check? The thing is, Paulo, I cannot check your screen. I don't know how to check the screen on Zoom. We had this problem last time as well. So I cannot check your screen, but I can see on Discord. That's a good trade. The NSDUSD. Yeah, I would personally not take that trade. Let me see. Where's your stop loss? That's a big stop loss. Yeah, with that stop loss, it can work. It can work with that stop loss. It's a pretty big stop loss, but I would probably wait for it to come higher up because I do think you're gonna come higher up on the 1 hour because you do have an imbalance above 1 hour. What just happened? Why did I get an alert? Was that Paulo's screen? Oh, it was Paulo's screen.
Yeah, that was me. That was me.
I was like, what the fuck just happened? Yeah, I would not take it. I would not take it because of that imbalance above. But it is a comp play. It's still a comp play. And with that, I think you'll survive with that stop loss because it's a good stop loss. But the reason I wouldn't take it is just because I wouldn't want that big of a stop loss on this trade.
All right, thanks.
No worries.
You should just stay there for the music, bro. This playlist.
Nah, I'm gonna get copyright strike.
Wait,
No.
Barney, why can't you see the screens on Zoom?
It's Christmas, come on.
I don't know how.
You just, like, you have to put the mouse up, and then you see the options to choose the screens.
Nope, doesn't work. Is it? Are you talking about this right here?
Oh, wait 1 sec. Fuck. Is it not showing?
No. I cannot see other people's screens. Oh my god. I didn't explain that well. I wanted to say there are only medium, only 70 people on lives every day, and only those people are really serious. I hope they're serious. For their sake, I hope they're serious about it. Ruby Rose price action in December. Right. I'm gonna call it.
By the way, Bart,
Yeah.
you have on the team chat how you can change screens on Zoom.
Yeah, but you see, I don't have that. I don't have that option. I only have this layout right here. I don't have that layout that you have. It's super weird, man. I just can't. It doesn't work for some reason. Because that only works if you're not sharing your screen. If you're sharing your screen as well, then you can't look at other people's screens.
Yes, you can. Or that's why, Barney. It's because you're sharing your screen. You can't look at other people's screen.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
UJ? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. It's a fucking hourly candle, though. How's your Spotify rap looking? It's Drake is first. Then it's the Swedish rapper. Then it's Kanye. Then it's another Swedish rapper. Then it's Future. Those are my top 5 artists. Which Swedish rapper? So it was 23. And it was Yasin. W top 5, yes sir. Swedish rap? Yeah, man, I'm from Sweden. Is 23 actually good? Yes. I like him. Play one of the Swedish rapper's songs. I might get a copyright strike. I can play today. I can play his most famous song. Just a quick, so y'all know what kind of music. This is one of his like most famous songs. You hear this in every club in Sweden.
Vintern söra något gnäll. Vart är mazen, vart är flosen? Jag ska ha dem nu ikväll. Jag kan pull up där med nån achis. Eller jag kan pull up där själv. God damn, yeah I'm feeling myself. Je m'appelle Mr. Did it by himself. Vintern söra något gnäll. Vart är mazen, vart är flosen? Jag ska ha dem nu ikväll.
Yeah. Swedish rapper. But he's fire. He's fire as fuck. You get copyright? Yeah, that's why I just played it for a few seconds. Okay, chat. Yeah, Paolo. I hope you're still holding that trade, or did you even take it, or did you just mark it up? Loki hard. I tell you boys are sleeping on Swedish rap.
Just mark it up.
Okay.
Mark it up.
Okay. Thank God. Because you would have been stressing. Yeah, y'all are sleeping on Swedish rap. I'm telling y'all, chat. There's so much music out here. What's your favorite song from 23? I'm American though, I don't know what the fuck bro's saying. Yeah, well, you can still appreciate like the beat and everything else.
Bard, I finally discovered how to do it.
Oh no way.
I've been watching and I've been doing a lot of shit, bro. You know when you go up and there's something called show meeting?
Show meeting?
Yeah, like
on what? On what? Everything I have from Zoom is I have the chat, I have the dashboard with mute, start video, security, participants, chat, new share, pause share, start summary, etc. I don't have show meeting.
When you go up, it says audio, video, participant, chat, share, resume, annotate. No?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, then there's something called show meeting or hide meeting. And then there's more. You press on more and then you go on.
I don't see that.
No?
Do you see my screen?
Wait. Yeah, I see your screen. So if you like move your mouse up. Yeah, up. And then
What?
wait, go to the Zoom first of all.
I literally can't. All I have from Zoom is this and this.
Bro, just click show meeting and put that bar from Zoom down,
There is
You
no
will
show
see-
meeting.
there is no show meeting.
Are you guys seeing my screen?
Yes.
This is all I have from. Oh, you're not seeing the Zoom things. Look at my screen on YouTube.
Okay, one sec. Let me open it. Bro, I swear we have to solve this issue. God damn it. Alright. Yeah, exactly. Oh shit, you do
It's
actually don't
in-
have show meeting.
It's in that bar. Let me see. Oh, there's no show meeting. God damn, what?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
It's stupid. I don't know.
Press on meeting info. Like where you at, yeah. Nope. Try participants. Like on the left.
Then this comes up.
Yeah. If you press-
Records, break rooms.
Yeah, here you go. And then see his. Wait, Paulo, are you sharing?
Yeah, I am.
He doesn't have show meeting. Why? Okay, that's weird.
I'm telling y'all,
Oh,
it does
you need
not.
to hover over Zoom on your taskbar at the very bottom of your screen, and then it should bring up like a screen with the bar for Zoom at the top,
Yeah.
and then the other one, which should be like it should say Zoom meeting on like as a whole.
No, I literally don't.
You don't have that at
No,
all.
it's only the taskbar.
What, when you hover over Zoom on your on the
Taskbar.
taskbar at the bottom?
Yeah, it's
it
only
has-
that bar that like the Zoom when you share a screen.
What the hell?
What?
Maybe you need to update your Zoom, bro. I can't lie.
I have the latest version. I don't know what's wrong.
Seriously, bro. But when you left in London the other day, I was sharing my screen, but I could still see other people's screens. Like I could just switch between whichever screen I wanted to look at.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone can except Bardi.
Maybe it's Sweden, bro.
Nah, bro, I'm in Sweden too.
What?
Maybe they've gone to Bard, bro. I don't know.
It's
But,
the Matrix.
yeah, for real.
Fuck it. Fuck it. They hate him, bro.
Yeah, it's the Matrix, man. They're not trying to. They don't want me to see Paulo's sauce.
Man, I was gonna show you my journal. You're missing out.
God damn, man. What's wrong with? Man, fuck Zoom. Yo,
Oh,
you can just show me your screens on Discord though.
Yeah. Bard, look at my screen real quick, cause I took the
Okay.
NSD USD one. You know, I keep saying about the candle closure.
Oh, my
I took it
days.
to here.
Oh, you took that.
Yeah, I took it and I got a 1-to-1 trade from it.
Oh, you actually made profit.
Yeah.
Oh,
I took
good
it.
shit.
It was a really quick scalp because I keep saying about the candle closure. It
Yeah,
comes
yeah,
down to taps. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna enter because it looks good. So my stops were like just at the highs of the previous on the 15 right here,
Yeah.
and obviously my take profit was at the candle closure. So I got in, got out, and then the news hit, and I was like, God, thank God I got out. But,
Yeah, beautiful, man. I think, dude. Honestly, I think if there was no news, that could have had even more potential.
Yeah, I mean, either way, I took it 1-to-1 because, I asked you, you said it wasn't great. I agreed because I said earlier, like, we still have time to come up. If you look at this 4-hour, though, like, the zone that I've got is super, super strong. Like, super strong.
Yeah. Oh.
So
Yeah.
that's why I put my
Almost a
I would've
decision
put
area.
Yeah, I would have put my stop loss up here.
Yeah.
If I was gonna take it, I would have put it here. But
No, but that's fire, man. That little strategy that you got going on, the candle closure.
yeah,
fire.
bro. Yeah. Because I've been backtesting it for ages, so I was just like, nah, I'm just gonna use it because I know that it works. So.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna think about that actually when I take a trade. What do I do if I have to take a shit but there's no toilet paper? The thing is, you just reminded me that I also have to take a shit. If you don't have toilet paper, bro, God gave you a hand. They didn't have your forefathers didn't have toilet paper. All right, they didn't have toilet paper. Hold on. When did they invent toilet paper? 1857. They first patented toilet paper called medicated paper for water closet. It wasn't even for your butthole then. So that means that all the way up to 1800s. For thousands of years, humans have used their God-given hand to wipe their butt. So stop being privileged and just use the tools you're provided with, alright? Anyways. Bro got zoom light. I don't know what kind of cheap ass zoom I got, bro. And I also pay for it. They might have used leaves or something. Yeah, bro. Alright, go outside, grab a handful of leaves. You're good. You can't say the Chavin, like you can't say the Chavin shat in the woods. Everybody's taking shit in the woods, right? No? I live in Norway. There's no such thing as leaves in Norway in December. Okay, yeah. I understand because I live in Sweden. It's the same thing. Well, then, I don't know, bro. Just use a pair of old... Just go to your washroom and just use a pair of old... underwear. Or socks. Or towel. Exactly. Bro, they use cloths and wash them. You see, there are ways to do it. What's your opinion on 23 Steppas? I haven't listened to them. Arab people use their hand in France. A lot of people use their hand. And honestly, Chad, we might clown them, but I swear they're more. I swear they're cleaner than the people that use toilet paper. Is it safe to enter the UJ trade because the trend is bearish and the trade is a sell? UJ? Yeah, I think that's a valid comp on UJ, yes, if you come up. If it's the 1 hour comp. If the 1 hour flips, then it's not valid. But if you come up and it's the 1 hour comp, then it's valid for sure. Especially if you don't fill the range all the way down to 49.9. So if you don't fill the range all the way down and you still have range left to go and you come up on the 1 hour, then it's a valid. I'm going to take that. Even though it's a new scandal. New 15 on gold. No wick. Yeah, that's a no wick. It's not a no wick. God damn. God damn it, chat. It's the same artist you played but different song. Oh, Step Buzz by 23. I don't know if I've heard it. I don't know exactly which song it is. Is it like I'm in a boss for real?
Du går inte att se mig någonting. Lilla pojke jag sett allt. När vi kommer med en kontring. Han aldrig känt den här hettan. Floss bro en lång tid. En shoutout to my steppas.
It's a good song. But it's not like one that I listen to a lot. But bro, everything that 23 drops is fucking fire, man. Like, he has all of Sweden on lock. What was that fruity song with a French sample? It's called Feeling Myself by 23. The thing is, I don't understand a word he says. Hey, you don't have to. I listen to some French music as well. I listen to some other language. I listen to German music as well. I don't understand why people taking their shit with hand and continue their journey with checking hands. What? Tourner dans le vide. Sample. Is that tourner dans le vide, vide, tourner dans le vide, vide, tourner dans le vide. Is that one? The Andrew Tate song? 45 minutes to go. It's gonna flip, bro. We don't know that yet. All we can do is pray, chat. Pray that we get this comp. Yo, this Christmas music is a vibe, low key. Da, da, da. I did actually shit in the woods. I had to use a tree bark to clean my ass. A tree bark? Fuck, man. Yo, your asshole must have felt that shit. Christmas bomb in Russia for pump. Alright, buddy. Alright. Yo, sir. Yo, trading be taking you all too far, man. I swear, if some of y'all traders, if you had the option to drop a nuclear bomb somewhere just for gold to push, y'all would fucking do that. Yo, trading be taking all your morals and throwing it out the window. Alright, gold kind of weak. But look at the short on. What's that? Rush KRW, what's that? Russian shit? Russian ruble? After the Marshall, no, Korean, what's that? What's KRW? Korea. It's okay, US government finna do it anyway. That's what I'm saying. Yo, y'all, Chad, we don't have to intervene, alright? If I have to intervene, listen, if I have to intervene, I will. Alright, for y'all's sake, if I have to intervene, I will. But we'll just wait and the US will do some stupid shit. Bart, can you check a pair for me? Alright, Vin. Which one? Sick layout, thank you. Bart, can you do it? Use the sec analysis. Is that even a thing? Swedish krona futures. Yo. Yo! Chad! I swear on my... Hold on. They don't have... Fucking racist, man. Look at this racist ass, stupid ass fucking prop firm. Where's the Swedish krona? Fucking racist. Complay chat? Complay? Oh.
Bard, actually, I wasn't joking, by the way. Can you do the analysis for it on the long term? I have some dollars I want to switch.
Oh my days, bro. Alright, so looking at the Swedish krona, looking at the US dollar Swedish krona currently, we do see a strong rejection off of this area that we've seen in the past at 11.02785 right here. So I'm expecting, we do also have kind of a head and shoulders pattern on the Swedish krona currently. So I'm expecting a tap down to around 10.888 to retest this support and continue that head and shoulders pattern. I do not expect us to break below 10.8 right here. I do not expect us to break below there. I do expect us to just tap this area, maybe a little deeper, and then come up and break the highs and retest 11.2. So I'm expecting some sort of movement like this, right? Boom, boom. That's what I'm expecting on Swedish crown, US dollar, Swedish crown. Very simple. I'm taking a small retracement for a higher time frame bullish push. I do think we're still gonna continue to trend up and break all-time highs. So yeah, I do think we're gonna break all-time highs because I do think the Swedish krona is just gonna get weaker, and I do think the dollar is just gonna get stronger and stronger. Especially now with Trump in office, the dollar is definitely gonna get stronger. So yeah, very straightforward, simple. But I'd wait for a retest here. Alright, now let's check USD V-Bucks. I will hold my USD. Yes, you should. You should definitely hold USD, man. USD CHF. Is that... Are you for real, Vin? You know the USD CHF is not that good with the comp play, right? At least not from my experience. Yeah, you're shifting trend here. Just broke the trend because of news, obviously, but still you are breaking the trend. It did have a slight uptrend, but you did start losing volume, indicating you are turning bearish since you do have this rounded top right here. And then if you look at the higher time frames, you do have this slight longer higher time frame trend line, 4-hour trend line, indicating that yes, you are turning bearish. So lower time frame reversal for a higher time frame continuation, it looks like to me. Now after this news candle, you will have an imbalance to fill, which I believe will happen, and you will come up. This comp is also looking beautiful, so like this comp play would be a very good comp play to take. Very good comp play. Reason is broke structure, long term, still long term bullish or bearish, and you have a lower time frame reversal for a higher time frame continuation happening currently. So yeah, that's what I would say. This comp looks beautiful. If you're asking about the comp looks beautiful. You also, should you come down and start closing below here, you do have this Diddy range to fill all the way down. You do have a very Diddy range. Price moves very quickly in this area. So should you come down and break this low, I think you're just going to dump all the way through this area. So everything is pointing towards being quite bearish on USD CHF currently. Who trades Swedish franc? Swedish franc? What's wrong with you? It's Swedish krona. I can't believe I heard that. Leaving by. No, I was kidding, Vin. Too many comps in sight. I know. Almost all pairs have comps, but that's a news candle, so it's gonna be hard for us to come down, or come and tap the comps. Or it's not gonna be hard, but it's gonna take some time. GPAUD. Oof. I guess who's gonna jump into this one, chat? This guy. Also, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. Norwegian franc for Swedish franc. Bro, I made 2% today, so I'm done. Damn, 2% today, 2% yesterday, bro. You be fucking cooking, man. But you're gonna pass this 100k, man, and you're gonna get a fucking payout, and it's gonna change your life. You're gonna get your first. You get a huge payout with a 100k account. You can get like a 6% payout. That's 6k. That's like 50-60k Swedish krona. As a student, when that shit hits your bank account, you're gonna feel invincible. Just don't let it get to your head, though. I'm up 6% this week. God damn, bro. Good shit, man. And y'all gotta remember, Omar's up 6% this week. But a lot of the trades that he took are with the boys in voice chat. So if you guys are not in the voice chat in Discord, again, missing out on free money.
Hey, Bard,
Yeah.
it's official, bro. I achieved the 100% win rate on UJ in 11 trades. Comps only.
That's, dude, fuck.
11 out of 11. Bro, I'm
That's
so happy about it.
So insane. Good shit, man. Good job.
By the way, all of these trades we've taken, they're always there in the Discord VC in London session before the New York. So if anyone want to join, they're more than welcome.
Yeah. What I'm saying, boys, join up the VC and make some money. They are like every single day, bro. It's free, so it's why not? Especially if you're serious about trading. There's also good vibes, and also y'all can roast Adam in there. I only think about the money. I'm up 1% on 50k out, easy 5,500 norska kronor. Minus 20% and minus percent and minus tax. So I have about 30 crowns left. Yeah, dude, that's so facts, man. That's so facts. Receive a 10k payout. Yo, receive a 10k payout after taxes. You have like, can barely afford sustenance. Y'all can't roast me for it because y'all finna get roasted back big time. Ooh. Can afford a kebab and soda after taxes. Bro, here in Sweden I can afford a kebab, not even soda. I can afford a kebab and I have to bring water from home. It's tough out here, chat. It's tough out here, chat. Like this, the shit that they're doing to us, man. It's just unacceptable. Shit's unacceptable. I go to my neighbors and ask for a cup of water, then I go buy my kebab. Right, exactly. You gotta move to Portugal. They have NRH rule. You can be 10 years tax free. Oh, 10 years tax free? What does that mean? What do you mean NRH rule? $10 tax free, chat. I'm moving tomorrow. Also, Portugal got some baddies. Also, Ronaldo's from Portugal. My goat. EU buy comp, Euro USD buy comp. Ooh. Hey, I do have a USD comp. That's true. I have a comp whatever. Almost every pair. Chat, I slept 3 hours, chat. I'm about to sleep on stream. Bard, do we have to register anything in Sweden for the tax, or does it happen? It happens in the yellow paper. So you'll get your yellow paper, and then you will have to. Well,
Yo,
pay,
Bard,
pay
lock,
shipping.
Bard, lock in 30 minutes flip play.
Gold.
Shit. Did we break the highs?
No, not yet.
Alright, chat. I gotta move quick now. Bam. Oh, I think we're gonna flip though. I think we're gonna flip without breaking the highs. Oh, break the highs. Come on now. $3.9. Lot size will be 0.2, I think, on this one. Well, even more, 0.3, right?
Broke highs.
Broke highs? Alright. Alright, there we go, chat. That's the position. 56.4. Current stop loss. Obviously, we'll have to move stop loss if we get a bigger top wick. But we'll see now. If this flips after breaking these highs, should be a wick lick. Same thing that happened here, as you guys see. You know, break the highs, close respecting, and then fills the range down. So yeah, that's sell stop here, chat. Just so y'all know. Sell stop at 2653.9. Stop loss at the break of the current candle high. Take profit at the bottom of this range. And yeah, that's the position now, chat. Now we wait. Bro, 0.3 is not 0.2 lot size? No, 0.3. Because its stops are pretty tight. Only 25 pip stops. So we get the flipper. And filled the previous range as well, which is good. Right, they filled this range as well. Looking good here, chat. Especially because you grab liquidity above these highs. Looking good here, chat. Hold on, let me fix my... So 26, 53.69. I can even hear you breathing. Oh, my mic is really loud. My bad. It's not a comp play. No, this is a flip play. Let's see if we can get activated here, chat. Alright, chat. Activated right there. 625. Alright, let's see now if we can get the range filled on. Let's see if the 5 minute can close. Start closing below, back into the range, and below that comp. That's a good sign for us. Alright, 5 was about to reflip up. Alright, we'll see, chat. Is the DXY dropping hard? Yeah, see if we can get a DXY retracement. Let's see, chat. Whatever happens, happens. We're ready for all of it. Pick up those highs. Yeah, it might have stops here. It's re-breaking the highs. Oh, it took me out? Oh no, chat, it took me out on fucking on ACG. On I mean my prop. Is that gonna be stop loss hit anyways? Are y'all out? Yeah, okay. That's stop loss hit, chat. Yeah, 30 flip play did not play out the way we wanted. Broke the highs and then re-broke the highs again after filling the range already. It is what it is. Yeah, too much bullish pressure. Way too much bullish pressure. Saeed might be drunk. Yeah, chat. Unfortunate stop loss there hit. What happened was that we reflipped on 30, which was a bad sign immediately. To be honest, it was a tough trade because of how bullish we are on gold. But yeah, the flip play is the flip play. Flip play is the flip play. Maybe my zones were a bit bad. Like, could have counted as a closure above. So that it could be a problem with the zones. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that could have easily been the case. The zones were not ideal. But it seems like we're flipping now, though. But hey, we move to the next one. UJ almost came up and tapped that comp. Yeah, we'll have to wait for other Forex players to do something. It is what it is. Give it a second chance if it re-breaks the lows. No. That's then we're chasing our losses because it's not a part of the playbook to take that. But yeah, I mean, I guess yeah, the issue here was probably my resistance was a bit too high, or too low. No, too high. My resistance is a bit too high. Therefore, it looked like it closed respecting when it in fact didn't. So yeah, that was the issue with this trade. That's why we lost this trade. So yeah, have to be more careful with where we put resistances from now on. Bro, JPYX is also big. What? I don't know what you're trying to say with that. JPYX. What does that have to do with gold? UJ made that top wick, but did not come up all the way. This GPAD trade is so fucking nice. It's just I don't think we're gonna get it, but it's such a nice GPAD trade. Yeah, gold is rejecting hard off of that area. Probably gonna see a flip now, and a fill. Where was the flip? Right there. Let's see if I want to see if it breaks the lows and drives now after tapping deeper. Five comp against us as well. Let's see. Because if it breaks these lows after tapping this high, technically it should come up a pretty hefty amount from the flip. Alright, this shit is not... It's not coming up currently. So we'll have to wait for these. I think these positions we'll get later today. These will be pretty late positions. I think we'll get them at around later New York. Not currently. But yeah, now we're back down. Back down on the account. Minus 0.8%. Tough trade. Big loss. Or not big loss, but 0.8% loss. Mommy Chuna burning, what's up? Ah shit, stop loss said, yeah. We're unfortunately hit stop loss. Alright, that's the reflip and break of the lows. Is it gonna drive now? Yeah, now it wants to drive. Now it wants to drive. It just had to re-break those highs again. Yeah, it's unfortunate, chat. It's unfortunate. Hero stops, and then right as it hero stops, after 10 pips, just push down. But at least now we can journal it. At least now we can journal it in the QTC journal. All right, so we had 12. $13, 3, no, 12, the 4th, 4, time is 16, so you got 16, 16:35, it was during New York, it was gold, it was daily bias is bullish. It was a flip. It was a 30-minute flip. It was a sell. It was a matching time frame. Didn't really have a matching time frame. It was just a 30-minute flip. I guess 50-minute flip as well. Sell stop. Flip. Stop loss location. Break of high. Stop loss to BE. We had it at. I had it around 25 pips. Oh, that never happened though, so we can't really put that. Risk, full risk. Close trade because SL hit TP eventually. We still don't know. All right, let's take a screenshot of this baby. Copy link, and then we enter the link right there. Now if you press it, should see the position. There we go. Beautiful. Loss. Max drawdown. I guess max drawdown was the stop loss, right? Oh, the 25 pip stop. Duration 7 minutes. Account gain minus 82, right? $82. Yeah. That's it, chat. Don't remember to always journal your trades so we can go back and look at data and see how we can become better and what we did wrong and what we can improve. Very, very fucking important. Hey Bart, do you think we have too much losses lately? Probably winner. Too much losses? Yeah. I mean, since we are negative on the funded account, yes, there's been more losses than wins lately. It's already funded or challenge? This is just a challenge. This is just I'm passing a challenge live. I think Bart needs to come to Portugal. Needs to see some sun. That's for sure. I definitely got to see some sun. +1 on that one. and touch grass. Yeah, there's not much of that in Sweden. That's the thing. We're not getting these comps, chat. Not right now, at least. Maybe GP80. Oh, GP80 looking real nice. Looking mad nice. Oh, the 1 hour closes in 6 minutes as well. Same thing on gold. 1 hour closes in 6 minutes. See if we can get a retry on that flip play. If we get a flip play on the 1 hour as well. Community chat? Yeah, I see that, man. Dude, I'm so jealous of you. Go check it. You don't see that now for 2 years? I know, I know. It's sad, bro. It's sad. I mean, I wish we had some sun in Sweden, but that's why I have to fucking take vitamin D tablets and shit like that. Survive. Isn't gold very manipulative? Right now, yes. It's manipulating me. But what if you go buzz cut? Would never happen, man. I don't have the hairline for a buzz cut. My hairline is way too exposed to get a buzz cut. I would not survive a buzz cut. That would be the end of Bard. Shows your hairline. Yeah. Ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. No, don't ever get a buzz cut. You're cooked. Yeah, thanks for stating the obvious, bro. I know I'm fucking cooked. Keep that middle part wavy thing. I know. That's my thing. That's my thing. My thing is just longer hair, bro. I tried short hair. It's just not. That doesn't work. All right, I'm about to enter the GP80 trade. Chat, be ready.
Could you even put your TP like all the way down at like 96119? Because if you look at the 4-hour, we've got like a humongous imbalance below.
Oh, that's true. That is very true. True. We could have full TP lower down. But I'm gonna close a lot on the wick fill, I think. Cause yeah, we do have an imbalance, but we're still super bullish. But yeah, that is a fucking crazy imbalance. Just saw that. So we can probably hold us. Like if we had this, we could probably hold this trade. We could leave runners. New 1 hour just open chat. 976 1.97695. So 9798988. TP 1.967. Seven. 9.7. Alright, let's see if we get this now. This is now head and shoulders, so very high chance that we don't get this comp and we just reject right before. Very high. So be ready for some FOMO. Potential FOMO.
Bard, if you look at the 4 hours, doesn't that mean if we flip that stop loss?
On the 4?
Hmm?
Yes. Yeah, it does. I mean, not if we... Are you talking about if we flip, we're going to fill the wick?
Yeah.
Yeah, likely, yeah.
So in this case, we could cut losses, right?
If you flip, yes. If you flip and break the 4 hour high, you can start cutting. You can cut losses. But the highs is just because that's going to be the continuation of the trend. Like you could come all the way up here and still come down, and that would still be still be valid. But if you start breaking this high, then you've officially continued the trend, and then you're obviously next range is up here, or next stop is up here. UJ looking juicy now. Yeah, UJ is looking real juicy. I'm gonna take this as well on UJ if we come up. So many comp plays, I don't know where to look. Nothing on EJ. Bard, there's wick in every other broker. Bard, there's wick in every other broker for GPAD. Doesn't matter. We trade at Wanda, and we've traded at Wanda for a while, so doesn't matter for us. We're just gonna stick to Wanda, even though there might be wicks anywhere else. Yo, chat. I'm just looking at the comments for the. I'm looking at the comments for the compensation play. Compensation play video that I posted on IG. Yo, people are fucking crazy. People are mad haters, bro. You drop the cap, cut the bullshit. Nice try, Diddy. Not a strategy, will not work. This is laughable. It's not price action. LOL doesn't work. Just a trick which will not work each time. Bullshit. Do not do this funny video though. I'm unfollowing. Nobody can predict what stock movement pattern it
Bro,
very
if
every
they
day.
just go to the charts on Discord, I have so much like profits there with the complay. You remember like three
Yeah, I
or
know.
4 months ago?
I know, bro. It's
so much plays that I have there.
yeah. People don't get it, man. People don't get it. People just haters. GP cat complay hourly time frame. Oh, this right here, bro. This complay happened in 1995, man. I don't think it's way overdue, bro. I wouldn't take this. Are you talking about this one? That's the only one I can see. Or are you talking about this? This one, the potential complay. Yeah, that's a good complay on GP cat as well. This complay is crazy, chat. Look at that. Yeah, not 1995, bro. This one, yeah. I get you. Yeah, this one's a beautiful complay. You can definitely take that. But yeah, it will take a while to come down though. GPAD, where is it? All right, we're getting this. I think we're gonna get this, chat. Is this supposed to be a funny content? Because I can't stop laughing. That won't work. Yaponomics. And then, and then somebody, dude. And then somebody that actually has a brain was like, you know what, let me try this out. And he asked me the best time frame, and I told him 15 minutes. And then some random guy in chat asked him, did it work? And then he was like, yeah, it did. You see, the people who try it, bullshit. You should be richer than Bill Gates' kid. Did this. I now owe $10,000 to people. Thanks. Clown. Unprofitable little kids teaching the most bullshit about trading and you lot believing. You lot deserve to get scammed. Yo, people are haters, man. God damn.
Well, I've got a 1 to 17 hour trade going right now.
Hold on, what?
A 1 to 17 hour NSD USD.
From where?
Look at Discord. I'm streaming it right now.
Oh my days. If that shit hits, bro. Oh my, what is
I
the
mean,
trade
hey,
based
it's
off of?
shifting structure on the 1 minute. This thing, bro. Look. Little load. Hang on. No. All right, code. There we go.
Oh, the strong resistance.
Yeah, and then I've got these like. So this is my entry here. It comes up every time.
Oh, and taps it and then comes down afterwards. Oh, dude, that's. You might be cooking, bro.
We'll see. We'll see.
What's a degen? Holy shit.
Yeah, it's definitely worth the fucking try, though.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm in this shit. Not yet. Not yet.
Nah, good luck, bro. I hope it's his full TP. If it is full TP, bro, like, if that shit hits full TP, man, you're taking over QTC, bro.
It's not a QTC play, bro. So
I know, but still, you can add that play to whatever you want. But is it? It's like a decision area almost play.
Yeah, I guess. Call it the res play type shit.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I can't lie. I don't think it's gonna
Well,
give me all the TP, but
no,
it will
but even if
definitely
it gives you half the TP, that's still a fucking crazy
Yeah.
RR.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, Chad, lock in here. Lot size 0.4, I think. Yeah, 0.4. Haters are nice to have. Yes, sir. Gotta have haters, man. If you don't have haters, you're not doing the right thing. Gold complet on the 15 invalid. We have a complet on the 15? There's no complet, bro. On Auto no and at least. So maybe there's a complet on your chart, but I don't see it. I don't have a complet on my chart. Yo, chat, I have to take a shit so bad. Y'all don't even know. Go down. Oh, this, yeah, it's invalid. It's invalid. Because it's a reversal candle. So therefore it's invalid. So I would not take that. Also, it's way too many candles in between. Oh! Be ready here, chat. Again, I'm not expecting crazy returns on this trade. I'm expecting like if we get a good RR, I'm happy. If we get like a 1-to-1 RR, 29. So it only has to come down to like here. And then if it comes down to here, we have a good RR. So it doesn't even have to fill the whole wick. But let's hope we get it, because what price can do is it can just reject right before it. We've seen that happen in the past. Ah! Ah! You fucking bitch! Yo, what a fucking hoe, man. You really gonna do this, GPA? After all we've been through. After all we've been through, man. Chat, I low-key can't believe that they're still together after all the shit they've been through. Like, I can't believe it. It's actually crazy. After all that shit that they've been through, they're still together. That's respect, honestly. Like, I'd want a relationship like that. That's super unfortunate, chat. I think we're gonna miss out on this one, maybe. Perhaps. Look at that 5 minute disrespecting the trend. I thought that was a 15. I was like, did we miss comp play? Dude, I was about to crash. I was about to crash in. Okay. Ah, it's one hour flipping, man. That's super unfortunate, chat. We're super unlucky with this shit. 4 pips away. Super unlucky, chat. Oh well. Honestly, might have to start taking. Might have to start taking funded challenge trades on my on London session or other sessions as well, like outside of stream, just because it's just taking. We're gonna way too few positions on New York. It's just gonna take 5 months to pass. So I'm honestly contemplating taking positions outside of stream on the funded. Oh, there's no way it flipped, man. Dude. It's okay, chat. It's okay. We'll get the next one. Your USD looks nice if we come down. Really just need to trade London. New York hasn't been on anything. I know, bro. It's fucking. Why did this have to happen to New York, man? It's not funny. It's not funny, really. What the fuck? Oh, I was res stream. Oh, on Discord I had the sound on.
My bad.
You're good. God damn, bro. Scared the shit out of me. Fucking hell, bro. Oh my god. And I was like almost about to sleep on the stream. Shit. Oh, we're coming up again. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Vámonos.
Bomboclat.
Bomboclat. Bomboclat. Rasclat. What was I gonna say?
Yeah, bro. Low key, you should start trading in London, man. Price action been way better.
Yeah, I know. New York, like, barely giving me a trade, bro. The thing is with New York, like, you take one trade and then it's over. Then you don't have anymore, and it's really slow.
Since when is it slow though? I think more just because we're looking at Forex pairs. Like most of the Forex pairs we're looking at are London, like GBP for example.
Yeah, but yeah, I guess. But most of the Forex pairs are at USD though. NZUSD, USDJPY, UJ, GP USD, like Euro USD. So I don't know what's wrong with London.
Euro USD is London. It's Euro.
Yeah,
So we do have massive news later, so it might just be, you know, low volume until that news comes out because people aren't trying to get in anything, you know, too serious because Powell speaks today.
Oh,
That's true as well.
In like what, an hour and a half, or like 2 hours, I don't know, but it's pretty soon. So it's probably just people aren't trying to, you know, hop in because it's too risky.
yeah. Okay, so that makes sense. Yeah, that explains a lot. Speaking in 20 minutes.
And it's Powell, so
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what Powell has in his up his sleeves, eh? Are you in a trade? Not right now. Fortnite servers are down and this beat is pricey. I need to sleep. Oh, Fortnite servers are down. Oh, you guys lost because I wasn't here. Why weren't you here is the question. Paul hardly says shit. The market tweaks. I know. I do think gold is probably coming down. I think he's gonna be pretty positive for the dollar. I just have that feeling. I don't know why. The fact that this didn't come up, man, and the fact that we're gonna miss this GPAD trade is fucking stupid because it's such a good RR trade and it has such a good potential. So I wish that we got it. This is one trade that I'm actually kind of I'm not doing it just for the stream. I'm actually kind of sad that we didn't get this because this is a fucking amazing play. You have a wick fill, you have a 1 hour comp, and you have crazy imbalance below. Insane imbalance below, which will get filled. So it has so much potential. 25 calling for a massive sell-off. Yeah, I think so too. Our pricing is shit. Yeah. It's not shit, it's just slow. Just slow and weird. It's still not shit. It's still on an uptrend, but it's very slow. Very, very slow. Yeah, I might call it a day, chat. I might call it a day. This trade, I'm still gonna send it to the funded if we get it, because it's such a good trade. But I think I'm gonna call it a day, chat. Volume is slow. We have Powell speaking very soon, so there's no real point in saying here. It's also like 6 p.m. almost my time, so gotta get going. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Another day, another stream, another trade. Unfortunately, that trade took us back to minus 0.8% loss, which is unfortunate again, but again, we'll get back to it. We trust the strategy, we trust the playbook. And now since we cut off small wicks and we're just gonna go strictly off the playbook, we have full faith that eventually we'll pass this account. Hopefully in December we'll pass it. If I feel like it's not yet, but if I feel like we're not getting enough trades in New York, I will start trading this account during London as well, just because I really don't want to have this account for New Year's. Like I want it to be done for December. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you boys tomorrow, same place, same time. Is GPAD a sell limit? No, it's not a sell limit. I will enter manually when we cross that line twice. But yeah, peace out, boys. See y'all. Take care.